Liquid Community Network, and of course, it's that radio guy who never hanging Babaratang Sekhwabar. Mr. L-E-B, O-H-A-N-G. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to LCN Podcast. And of course, I'm not alone, Busi. I am so excited. Ndwana, welcome.
Me too, I'm so excited, guys. Ukuthi sibe nani namhlanje.
Nakanjani. Enhle kubusi bobani because I'm sure on the platform they've seen my face before. Bayabona nje ukuthi uyazama yena mara si understand ukuthi wenzani, and today sengibuya sengithi LCN Podcast and nami nobusi eduze kwami. Wakwani.
Okay, viewers at home, igama lami nguBusisiwe Hlophe, wala Isakhile. IT girl, boss lady, abantu abaningi abangaziyo. So the founder and the CEO company ebizwa nge-Boss Ladies Tech Solutions. So ngidila ngama-phone software and hardware. So umuntu uyazibuza ukuthi why uhlele noLebuhang, what's happening? Okay, I think nje introduce the background yami noLebuhang. We met through the Activate, guys. So that's where I met uLebuhang, where the youth was networking. So abantu abasha bebehlangene with their skills, with everything. So hence why we're having this meeting here.
Yes.
Lebuhang, and we kind of like want to introduce something that will be given to the community. Okay. So like you see, we focus on community development. So mainly focusing on youth. So
mention something now iveze kahle more especially ukuthi sihlanganiswa yini sihlangana kuphi njengoba sesibuya sesigijima nama podcast. Of course he already uLebo bayamazi ukuthi ayivele lena kudala ibhizinisi amalete content creation kuphela nje ukuthi singaqonda ukuthi yapi. Mhlawumbe mina engakusho wena Busi ne sithe masihlangana lapha na ku Activate le project esiyesanikezwa yona iye yanginikeza some sense of direction, honestly speaking, and esathi mase sihlela as a group project yethu sinele saveza indaba yokuthi okay thina sis integrate kanjani okanye how do we go to a community and serve ngama skills esinawo kwavela yona le media. I was like okay, let's go. Uthe youth development.
Yes.
Then thina approach yethu, we are going to be a media platform whereby sizokhona ukuthi sinikeze khona i-platform to i-community, like simply that gap kahle. Yeah.
So one thing I want to add ukuthi sizobe sisebenza kakhulu naye uLebuhang. Yeah, so you'll be seeing more of me, more of him is in our new one. So basically we want to run this ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi communicate sabantu abasha nama offices are relevant to usizo abalufunayo. So I think this podcast will help abantu abasha ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi ba channel through us if they need question, if they need everything. Tina, I think we'll be able to maybe direct them to the right people, the right offices. So indlela nathi esizama ukuthi sibridge igap yokuthi abantu abasha bathi they don't know where to go, yabo where to find help. But because Tina sisinalo ulwazi oluncane, not everything guys, but it's how we helping each other ukuze sokwazi ukuthi develop our community. So
Now that you've mentioned ukuthi bazobona thina esikhathini esiningi, the truth is asebenzi sodwa because even right now njengoba sisebenza lana we have a team. We have a team in total mhlambe egroupini from Activate we are 6 ne mangaphosisi.
We are 7.
7.
Yes.
Hey, it's myself, Ubusi, Ketiwe, TK, Angelo, Nhlanhla, and who else?
Nyeleti.
Oh, the one
who's here.
Maybe on that note, as Saleh says, Mingelela Sithi Nyeleti on the production. How you doing, Mama?
Alright, Lapo. Hi guys.
Standard. And of course, CSRT, just for this opening episode, let's bring someone who's been vocal we community group yakhona la eLikwa. This guy when I first noticed him because the group ifaka ama message now and then midnight mara khona ama message awafaka I think emva kokuthi bayashise iSakhile Hall I go on the group ngimamela lama message, I'm like, hey man, who on earth is this? So I'm like, all right, now at some point this guy will have to have a sit down in naye. Ukutshelile igama lakhe ne? Mina ngimazi ngoLangeni because nasegroupini sibhale ngoLangeni. Mhlambe somfaka nje. Full name?
Igama lakhe uLangeni, guys, and he'll be introducing himself. So luckily he's been engaging with us lapha kuma social medias. So into sami kuyiveza lana ngayo ukuthi guys, if you do want to say something, you are more than welcome because yethu sonke. Because now he's here uzozi introducer is with Unyeleti asho nje ukuthi ucabangani with everything that we are doing. Now his views about development, community development. And take note, guys, your expressions and your views are your own. So we are giving you the platform to voice out what you want to say. Generally, la community. So Langeni, tell us.
Yeah.
I would
like to really thank you guys for the opportunity to be part of this whole movement.
Yes.
Because I really feel like there's a huge backlog when it comes to youth participation in the community in terms of, you talk about economics, you talk about politics, you talk about social, we are far removed from the reality on the ground, or we don't even engage the forces or the powers in governance. So hence I saw that lack in the community to say, okay guys, why don't we try to conscientize everyone around these issues, especially in these so-called black townships, because that's where we are most affected by these inequalities we are facing. So hence one day I just woke up, took my cell phone and just spoke my mind.
That's why I wanted to go ukuthi indlela ozi-expressa ngayo la like yamuzwa manje ukhuluma kanjani.
Sure.
Listen to him umakaze expressa. This guy indlela I decided to ukubeka ngayo, like was it something ngathi you were conscious about it, ukuthi okay vele ngizoyenza kanje, or you just njengoba usho nje ukuthi vele uthatha ifoni nje wathi nani let me just express myself.
Yeah. You know what happened? This thing was so genuine and authentic because from I just saw it. Okay, if mina ngizothi if I were to try to be formal and posh, it wouldn't make sense to the ordinary person on the street. So just be an ordinary gent from any kasi in the country and just speak your mind, and young people would relate to that. So hence I just decided not to push or put any special effects into it or polish it. No, just speak your mind just like anybody else, and that's how it went. And people, I got a positive response from it. Then since then it's been a roller coaster. Sometimes we have a backlash somewhere, somehow, some parts of the set portions of the what you call the followers. Those certain quotas. Sure, man. So it's been a joy, a ride. It's a journey. I like it. I'm enjoying it, and I think out of this, I think it's high time for all of us as citizens, especially as young people in the country, to take responsibility and not to shy away from these ills that we are facing. Because we are part and parcel of it takes two to tango. We can't complain about the government not doing their part while we on the other side
we don't doing anything.
Sure. So I'm really excited when I heard you guys talking about what you call organizing the community, young people around about these issues. So
just because now you mentioned Uguti, like ngivele ngayisukumela
Yeah.
and I did something for myself.
Sure.
Like everything, guys, like angeke njalo sihlale sifuna blame government.
Okay.
Yo, we are staying at home.
Yeah.
When as a person, as umuntu omusha, what are you doing for yourself? Because not everything needs money. We are here, we just don't want any money. Your opinion doesn't need anything. Ukuthi melos express kanjani, ufuna imali, ufuna umsebenzi, and point, because here we are networking, guys.
Yeah.
So even if we are here, it's something that is okay, but guys, we are networking. You can find employment here.
Okay.
You can find everything. You can connect to people. So it's that. Okay, we are unemployed, but I cannot sit at home and do nothing. Let me do something. Let me view myself. Like even if the government wants to help, they cannot help umuntu ohlele ekhaya and just do nothing. Be busy, njengomuntu omusha, voice out. Because even if there's IDPs and everything, because the government wants to know you, wants to know what you want, but ngoba uhlele ekhaya and awukho relevant kulezinto lezi sifuna ukuthi like social development. So bazokwazi ngani ukuthi as youth what do we need ukuthi siqhubekele phambili yabo izinto ezikanjalo. So we're trying to bridge that gap ukuthi sibonakale, just be exposed out there without even wanting any remuneration, guys.
Kunento ebalekile nikhulumile nokuthi into yokuthi no, you just took an initiative. Azange nalinda ukuthi hey kuze kube khona someone. Okay, maybe kwesinye isikhathi siyadinga ukuthi kube khona loyo muntu ozothi hayibo akoyinaka into eso, but already what we've initiated thina kanjena sadecide ukuthi no, kunento esi-interested kuyo as abantu abasha asiyenzeni sesiyayenza njengamanje. Of course it will have an impact nangendlela thize futhi izoyishintsha ezethu impilo. But yona la ngiyeni Brazil khona into engifuna sithi la before sibaleka. Ubusi mentioned ukuthi she is in tech, she runs a business in space tech. We all know ukuthi that's one business ngathini mainly dominated by abantu abaqhamuka ngaphandle, the Indian race or Pakistanis. These are the people who are busy ngama-tech, like mayokhandisa ifoni.
Sure.
Umcabangi nje ukuthi man khona usibusise khona khona ubusi. No, but ubusi, she's in that space. Mhlambe nje asale sikasinikeza yena ngakulakhe iside ukuthi how has the experience been operator kuso ispace esinjengalesi, because ukhanda amafoni.
Kind of a phone. So obviously, guys, kunama backlashes, like even abantu bayafuna ukuthi balethe amafoni yabo at times, but they are worried. But I thought to myself, if I was a boy, I think bekuzoba lula, because these things is electronics and stuff, like people tend to trust men kakhulu kulezo zinto lezo. So
abantu abaqhamuka ngaphandle more than us South Africans, because we've ngathini sesizibeke kule position ukuthi vele into esoyenziwa
usibani. So because ngahlala phansi and I thought and I had an opportunity engayikezwa through learnership ngenza yona electronics level 3. So we measured in the cell phone repair, both software and hardware. So kunginikeza a chance yokuthi, because now we're saying we want back our economy. As a young person, let me do something with my skills. So hence we created a government through their help. La bangisize khona with e-learnership, which I'm still in it. It's I'm completing this July. So abantu abaningi, if they want anything with their cell phone devices, so bangeza kimi, they should follow my page or Facebook, which is Boss Ladies Tech Solution, and they can also find me on Facebook. It's just Busi Shop. So yeah.
Langeni.
Yes, ma'am.
Kule yokuthi we want back our economy. Ubusi is claiming our economy by establishing something at mina ngenza ukuthi lokho enikunikeza abafowethu abaqhamuka kwamanye amazwe mina nami ngiyakwenza. Mhlambe what's your view around yona into? Of course we noticing now ukuthi across the country much immigration what yonke nje lezo zinto around that thing. What's your views, bro?
Hey man, you know, when you talk about unemployment and the inequalities or in the injustices of the past, these I mean the consequences of those actions that took place back in the day, we are feeling them on a daily basis, man. And I was just listening to what do you call these guys? They call themselves the Gordon Institute of Business and Science.
Okay.
And they had a guest there by the name of Umwele Zimbeg. And I mean, what that guy touched upon was the same ills that we are facing, especially in this economy, the stagnant economy, not being able to reproduce what we consume. So what happens is, I think one of the main challenges that we have as a country is not having enough human capital. Human capital is what you would call human resource. Okay. Because when you need in an economy, you would need for economy to be functional, you would need, obviously, the basic thing is your supply and demand. Is the study of scarce resources. So human capital is critical to the equation.
Okay.
Because you would need abantu abazosebenza on the other end, and those who gonna consume those services and products. So what was explained there on that program was that the country currently, we are facing scarce skills. It's like the capital, the human capital, we are not equipped enough to drive this economy to where it's supposed to, because of the lack of skilling, the skilling of young people. Yeah, of young people.
Sorry to disturb.
Sure.
It's a bit tricky though, because obviously those who are scholars, maybe somehow was confused.
Okay.
Mhlambe understandayo kulokho highlightayo ne.
Sure.
Ukuthi in terms of like human resource and all of that, uma umuntu ekumamele, one would say na ulangeni uzama ukujustify indaba yokuthi why illegal foreigners should remain, kumele sibayeke singabaxoshi, because they will like add an input or rather add kwi-human resources edingayo. But mawuthi ya-check futhi, that's not the case. Mhlambe ngelinye ilanga sizokwenza nje ukuthi si-focus strictly kuyo leyo topic, le illegal immigration.
Okay.
Yeah. But Busi, because now I want us to wrap up.
Yeah, so guys, so the aim is not to we just want to communicate about my views and his opinions. Why so our implicating channel or everything umuntu une right yokusho uvo lwakhe mayelana nezinto eziphathelene nomphakathi. So guys, as we wrap up, would like you to do not forget to like, subscribe and share on our YouTube channel. We also have a WhatsApp channel, Ligwa. It's an LCN on WhatsApp channel, right?
Yeah, it's LCN.
Yes. Then on Facebook, we are LCN Ligwa Community Network. Please do follow us. Please like, subscribe, and share. And share the information. So this platform is for you guys. So umanithi nifuna ukuza, communicate with us through those pages, so as ukuthi engage and just have a way forward. Ukuthi siz-express kanjani.
One question, Sesam. For Nina No too. Mhlambe asiveze nje ukuthi uLangeni will be our regular now and then sizolokho si-engage naye. Ngizolokho nizwe ivoice. Njengoba ivoice ilokunizwa lapha egroupini WhatsApp ngizolokho nizwe yona.
Sure.
Yes. Question. First episode. We are wrapping up. How do you guys feel?
I mean, like, guys, I think like it's umuntu makaphupha into like ufuna into iqhubekele phambili. When you tell yourself ukuthi I want to bring change, why not start now? So abolento lesisiqale manje like I'm relieved ukuthi like I found people who say like share our same vision, like we are not waiting for anything izostagula. So we are doing it for ourselves. Yeah, ngiyayithanda, I feel so happy.
Kancane we'll find our bathini, we will gel and understand each other in the conversation ukuthi enhleke sihambisa kanjani. Langeni,
Sure, man.
how do you feel, brother? First episode?
I'm ecstatic, but ngijabulile because
Aye.
yabona ngikhuluma ingqondo yami. Thatha phone mina ngikhuluma intando yami.
Yeah.
Sure. Thatha phone ngikhuluma intando yami laphana. Okay, fine. Ngabona ukuthi abafethu baya responda bayajabula lento engikhulumayo ngoba bafila ngathi ngikhuluma ingqondo yabo. So iyangijabulisa mina lento le eyenzakalayo sithi kanje singabantu abasha ukuthi ngisinethuba lokuthi sizibonakalise ukuthi sifuna ukuthi izinto ziqhubeke kanjani from now on. So yeah, ikanjalo.
Probably bakwatela amagenge uthi hla manje indaba ngolangeni ogijima ngoJoji manje
Controversy sibale ngisho controversy laphana. So si controversy man. But lento leyo izoyenza ukuthi sikhona ukuthi communicate sikhulume lapha si debate.
Yeah,
sure.
Bese ngisho ukuthi on this episode ukhuluma English and I'm like, which one is this
Yeah,
one?
sure.
Ladies and gents, let's wrap it up. Until next time, on the show to Phuzi Bantu Bagrenge Mntana Sekhaya. Mina lami igama uLebohang and she's
Busisiwe.
all right. Until next time, love and light, peace and blessings. Exit.